Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is Topic Beauty. We are going to do this look today using this palette right here from UOMA Beauty. Stick around. I'm going to go ahead and use this foundation from UOMA Beauty. I am the color Fair Lady TC2. Oh my God. I think it's all gone. Oh, I think it's all gone. Hold on. Stay here, Ben. It's okay, honey. I'm not mad. We're gonna we're gonna scrape the bottom of the barrel on this one because I need you to see how good this foundation is. I've got this brush here from Lunar Beauty. It's LBF2. Okay, my face is sort of on. My base is on. Let's just say that. And my eyes are primed. Today we are going to use UOMA Beauty Black Magic Carnival. They recently did in February for Black History Month. They sort of remade this palette with this outside sheath. I don't have the sheath to this one anymore, but it looked exactly the same as the palette. But what they did is they have their name. What they did is they just revamped the original palette. Same exact colors, they just renamed them. I'm not going to use this, the new one, because I'm going to give this to a friend of mine who's looking to kind of venture out in her color repertoire for eyeshadows. So I'm going to see if she wants that. So I'm just going to put that aside for her. And let me just point out this fucking thing in my hair. This is what it is. It's got a little hook right here, and it's like a headband. It wasn't easy to put on, but my hair is snatched back. It's out of my face, and it's still down, which I like. I don't want to wear a headband today because I wore one for 12 hours last night, and with the mask and it pushing on my ears, it's irritating a couple days in a row. So we're skipping the mask. We're getting back into this bad boy. Back in. I haven't even touched it yet. All right. So I got right here a Hank and Henry brush. I think that says Savvy. It's purple on purple, and I'm blind as shit. I can't see it. But anyway, it is a large size blending brush. I am going to take, I think, this orange right here. And I'm going to just sweep that right over here. You're probably like, why did you buy that palette? You already have it. Clearly, you have it. I bought it because it came as a bundle with some lipsticks, and there were a couple of lipsticks that I didn't have. I bought, I think, just one. Yes, I bought just one. This is the box for the lipstick. I have the lipstick here in my hand. I just bought this red one. Look at that. I won't wear this today because I chose to do orange instead of the pink. But the reason I bought it was because 100% of the proceeds for that palette, oh gosh, oh my God, I'm having a brain fart. I cannot remember the name of the foundation, but it's a Black Lives Matter foundation. So she's sending 100% of the proceeds or sales from this palette to that foundation. And not many people with charity sends 100% of what they're raising money for. They send like 75 or 80 or whatever percentage, but it's rarely 100. So I bought that palette because I wanted to contribute in that way and also sort of re-gift this to my friend who I think will get, once she's not afraid of the color, she will have a blast with this palette. And for no other reason, even if she just uses the neutral colors in it, this palette, this formula that UOMA Beauty has blends so beautifully. Anyway, I digressed. My little headband thingy, I got it off of Amazon. I think there's 9 of them. The one I have in right now is like a black and a brown, kind of shaded together, almost like a cheetah print. Not really. This one's all black, and then I think there were a couple of all brown ones. Super cute. I don't know, like less than 20 bucks. I'm gonna take a sip of coffee. Not that I need coffee, obviously, because I'm talking so fucking fast, but I'm going to work and I'm supposed to be off tonight. But I'm going to work because I got a text message from several different people that they need help, so I'm going to work. What next? What next? Don't blow on your palettes. I do it all the time. It's nasty. Nasty, nasty habit. Nasty habit. All right. I am going to take another Hank and Henry Makeup Institute. This is a stiff brush. It doesn't have, oh, it does have a name. It says S205. I'm going to take this darker color here. That's called Mazzotan. In the new palette, it's called something else. I don't know if she's going to continue selling that palette with the new names or the old names. I'm taking this brush right here. It's a blending brush, but it's more squared than round. It's an L18. You can use a brush like, or I feel like I can use a brush like this to just kind of put a matte, kind of really pack a matte onto my eye. I'm gonna go back to this orange. That orange is called Notting Hill. Pick that up on my brush, and I'm just gonna bring it over. Bring that over my eyelid. And then just kind of blend it back up into, just to kind of bring up that color, that orange a little bit more. On the other side. All right. Trying to decide between these two colors. I think we're gonna go with they're both so pretty. I think we're gonna go with the lighter orange. Excuse me, I think we're gonna use both. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. All right. Make sure my hands are free of anything. Okay. First, I'm going to take this color right here, Barcelona, on my finger. Is that called Barcelona? No. It's Barranquilla. I don't know what that is. I'm going to take it just on my lid. Up to that, like, almost like I'm outlining my eyeball. And then I'm going to take my next finger, my ring finger, and I'm going to do, maybe I'm not, because this is not going to work. Okay, it worked. But I'm going to make it easier on myself. I'm not going to be lazy. I'm trying to be lazy, because I'm trying to be fast. All right. Hands are clean. I'm taking this lighter orangey, coppery, golden color. It's not golden. It's not even golden at all. Tenerife on my middle finger here, and I'm just going to drag that into that Barnaquina color just so I can, Barnaquinilla? I sound like an idiot. I want to blend those two colors together so you can't see where one ends and one begins. Just kind of one color just shades into the next. I just have a small, the tip of these bristles are either blue or stained blue, I don't know, but this brush is clean. There's nothing on it. This is a Lavish brush. It's an eye shading brush. I'm going to pick up this color right here, just on the tip of that brush, shake off the extra, tap off the extra, and just shade under my eye. And a skinny, flat eyeliner brush. This is a Makeup Institute S321. I'm gonna pick up this darker color and I'm just gonna trace my lashes. You guys seen me do this a million times. That's all I'm gonna do. The lower lash, I did the whole lash. The upper lash, I just did from about midpoint to the outer edge. Just a blending brush, a regular blending brush. And I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going back and forth at the edge. Not raising it up, not bringing it lower. And I'm just going to blend the inner part of my inner corner here up so that there's no harsh lines. And I'm also going to drag this color this way. Just put it down, flick it. Put it down, flick it. Over and over again. Just to kind of almost drag that until it fades away. See the difference? Okay, I'm going to clean off my brush on a towel. You can also use something like this. This is a color switch. It just has like this almost like Brillo-y, not really Brillo-y. You can kind of rub your brush on there. I have this. Somebody gave it to me a long time ago. I've never used it. It's a lie. I've used it maybe like 5 times. Just to kind of feel what it feels like to use it. I just automatically keep reaching for my towel because that's what I do. I have certain towels that I use for my makeup. They're sitting down here in the cabinet behind me. I just grab one every time I go to do my makeup. All right, same thing with this eye. Just flick that until it fades. So, y'all know I can't talk and do makeup at the same time. So I have this sort of fatter blending brush, or not blending brush. It's kind of like a fat blending brush. I keep saying the same thing over and over again. Pencil brush, but it's not super skinny. So see where I came down with the black? So what I'm going to do is just take this brush and just blend it. Wasn't intended, but it looks fine. Okay, I'm gonna do my mascara. I do have this trial size. It's called Drama Bomb. And I'm just gonna do my lashes. Because I don't know why I drink coffee. My husband gets me a large one. But if he gets me a smaller or medium, I have a hissy fit. Because I like the way the coffee tastes when they make it as a large. I don't know why. I can't drink the whole thing. But even just a little bit, I think I've probably had maybe 15-ish sips. I want to jump out of my skin. And I just stabbed my eye like 4 times. Because I'm not taking my time. Okay, on a teeny tiny pencil brush, Laura Lee L16, Laura Lee Los Angeles, that is. I'm going to take yes. I'm going to take this color Bahia in the center here and just do a little inner corner. Okay, that's the look. That's the face. Super cute. Love that blingy highlight. Again, go check out UOMA Beauty. I mean, I'm not really trying to sell you anything here, but eyeshadows, super awesome. Their lipsticks I have used in the past. I have these Black Magic ones. They just didn't, none of the colors that I have actually go with this look today. So again, awesome foundation, one of the best I've ever used. Love it, love it, love it. Can't tell you how much it is because I forgot. But I'm going to have to buy a new one so I can let you know soon. Because that one's almost done. Comment, subscribe down in the comment section below. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.